Today, my friends, I'm doing a video that you're gonna say to yourself, wow, it's real nice like. Now, I know what you're thinking. Clint, every video that you do is real nice like. And you'd be correct about that. But this video is extra real nice like. So what are we looking at today? Well, if you're a woodworker, if you're in the Milwaukee platform or the Milwaukee IA M12 platform, you're really gonna like this. So within the last year, Milwaukee IA have really been focused on coming out with woodworking tools. And this one here, you know, I'm telling you, I've been using this a little bit and it's really sort of blown my mind because a lot of people have mentioned that this sander is no better than an Orbital or a multi-tool that you just put a little sander blade. And I'm gonna explain to you why this sander here, this new M12 sander, is better. So what do we got going on here? Well, as mentioned, this is the brand new M12 sander. Now, if you're a woodworker, you know that you have to become one with the woodage. You know, when you're sanding, you feel where you're at on that piece, that art. Now, when you're using a multi-tool, it's sort of hard to, gauge that I guess that oneage with the woodage. That sounds right to me. But anyway, this right here, when you're sanding, you're doing fine detailed woodworking, this sander is phenomenal. So let me show you what we got going on over here. You got your trigger, you got your sanding pads. You can buy these special. Now this pad right here, a little bit larger than what you would get with a sanding pad on an oscillating tool. Now if something happens where, this sanding head busts or breaks, you can take it off and replace it with the new one. Your M12 bat ray goes in the back right here. Now you can use a smaller one and really keep this thing compact, or you can use a larger 4H, 5H, 6H, whatever, longer run time. You got your trigger right here. What's nice about this is a variable speed trigger. So listen. So that alone is real nice. Like not all multi-tools oscillating tools have the variable speed trigger. And this right here, when you're doing that fine woodworking, it's nice to be able to adjust that speed simply by releasing your hand. Now you do have that sweet LED light right up on front, and you also have a button right here that if I push that trigger in, push that button, that'll hold that in. I don't have to worry about compressing that trigger all the time. And I'll tell you what, the vibration on this, very, very low. Feels very good in your hand, real smooth. You also have different speed adjustments up on top. So not only do you have the variable speed, this really gives you a lot of control where the multi-tool might not. So you have a speed 1, you simply push this button on the back, and it'll adjust to speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and then back to speed 1 again. So it just recycles. So this is speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4. It's real nice. So Milwaukee IA is promising you're gonna get a stain grade finish, meaning that you're gonna be able to get that woodage real nice and smooth like. Getting to the corners real nice like with this right here. And again, as far as it goes with that sandpaper, super, super easy to put on. Now I do wanna let you know that, this is the Velcro style. You can go out and buy these already cut, but if you have some sandpaper laying around, you can cut these yourself. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You don't have to buy these, but it's just easier that way. Now, FYI, this right here, these are called Milwaukee IA, Milwaukee Power Grid Sanding Sheets. So if you're looking for those, that's what you want to look for. As far as it goes with holding this tool, I mean, it's super freaking light. You're only looking about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. And that's with the bat ray in there. If you're worried about damaging anything, maybe this pad right here, this backer pad is a little bit too stiff for you. They give you a very soft pad that you can go over and actually manipulate and go. It's real nice like. So I got some scuffs on my woodage right here. We'll take it down. We're starting out on, we'll go mode 1. We'll just do that real light first. Super, super smooth, man. Oh man. Now if I want to go up, speed 2. Very controlled. Go up around those edges like so. Speed 3. Bring this down here a little bit. Got some scuffs right there. Speed 4. This is like turbo speed. And look at that now. You have no scuffage on the woodage. Tell you what, if you're a woodworker, if you're in the Milwaukee platform, even if you're not in the Milwaukee platform, you're looking to get into woodworking or just a tool that maybe you want to check out, this thing is phenomenal. Again, yeah, you can use your multi-tool, your oscillating tool, but this just the grip on this, it feels great. it really allows you to connect. If you're a woodworker, you know what I'm talking about. It just allows you to connect with the piece of woodage that you're working on, the art that you're working on. You want to be able to fill those corners. You want to be able to feel what you're doing. You become one with the woodage. It sounds very strange, but it's true. So check this out. You get a 5-year warranty on it. I really, really like this. I mean, you even got that sweet, sweet battery indicator light right there. Yeah, 5-year warranty. I'll leave a link in the description below for this, for you to check out. But I just wanted you to see this, and you know, sweet, sweet LED light. Yeah, it's real nice. Like, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Love hearing that sweet, sweet feedback. Now, if you want to see more awesome, awesome tools, get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. And I got one for you right there. I think you're really gonna like that video. With that said, we'll be back with more videos soon.